Scrambled eggs are a simple and quick dish, perfect for an energetic breakfast or a hearty brunch. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk or cream, 1 tablespoon of butter, salt, pepper, optional, and the option to add freshly chopped chives. Break the eggs into a large bowl, add the milk or cream and a pinch of salt. Beat vigorously with a fork or whisk until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add the butter. Let it melt completely and coat the bottom of the pan. Pour the egg mixture into the pan. After a few moments, when you start to see the edges slightly solidify, lower the heat to medium-low. With a silicone spatula or wooden spoon, start to slowly stir the eggs, gently moving them from one side of the pan to the other to form soft curds. Continue stirring, scraping the bottom of the pan to prevent the eggs from sticking or cooking too quickly. Scrambled eggs should cook slowly to maintain a soft and creamy texture. When the eggs are almost completely cooked, but still slightly liquid, they should look wet. Remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat will continue to cook the eggs, completing the cooking process without making them dry. Adjust the salt, and if you wish, add a sprinkle of pepper. For an extra touch of flavor and color, you can garnish with freshly chopped chives. Serve immediately with toast or as a side to a richer breakfast. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. The addition of milk or cream to the eggs is not essential but helps make them softer and creamier. Additionally, you can customize scrambled eggs with various ingredients such as cheese, chopped ham, fresh spinach, or tomatoes, making them a versatile and ever-changing dish.